Ka United Democratic Party UDP kalong bakan bha ban e ha ki Riewshem phang ban Peit ya kamat karta ban hesnem Halor ka kam Thungkam Thungjam. Vice President ka seng uba alentry after kar loong kum ka kam Pulit ka badan kam ya ki bru ki babiang kamet ka phat kan bha ya kane ka kam Thungkam Thungjam ha ki Riewshem phang ban perkhat ban Peit ya kane ka banta.
In organizations like the police, where physical health, physical well-being is of utmost importance, I think it would be best left to the experts from within or without the department to take a call on that. We had merely put up this proposal in the previous government on grounds for the general employment of youths who have missed because of the done away with upper age limit, so that to extend their capabilities to be rewarded till that age of 37. Where specialized skills are concerned, it goes without saying, it should not be bound by this.